Hi everybody, this is Nivedita from Love Knots by Nivedita. Today I want to share a quick hack with all of you, which will be converting your existing sequins and embellishments into DIY seals. So this is a very quick hack. It doesn't give you the wax kind of effect, however it is very beautiful. If you look at it, see what I have done here is I have utilized my Mom to Be paper pack from the Color Dough, and if you can see here, this is the cover page from where I've cut these tiny moms, this tiny page. I've cut these tiny moms here and I've made beautiful seals out of it. If you can see, I will surely post pictures as the camera is pretty zoomed in. I'm not sure it's capturing it very nicely. So all you have to do is get an acrylic block, clean it with any Collin or any kind of glass spray so that it doesn't have any kind of dirt in it. Clean your glue sticks, just scatter a little bit of your sequences. With the sequence that I have used here is the Candy Crush mix from the Color Dough, and to that I will be adding little rose gold glitters again from the Color Dough. And these are what the rose gold glitters look like. These are chunky glitters, just like this. And the best part about this seal is, like, this that I'm teaching you right now, you can make these kind of beautiful charms out of it. All you have to do is just dig a hole here, add some pin or chain, and add your charms to it, and you can make beautiful charms like this, like this, like these. And if you want to add it anywhere, you can just, put little glue, hot glue, and add it on the place that you want to. So I have my glue gun ready here. So what I'll do is I'll just start pouring the glue quickly all over this sequence mix that I have created here, like this. Preferably the circle, just a good dollop of it. And then I'll take my nail paint and I'll just push it on top of this dollop like this, and I will wait for it to settle down. Meanwhile, what I want you to know is about the glue gun is, when you put your glue stick into the glue gun, make sure it's clean. It's very clean, because otherwise your seals will come out very mucky. And why I have used these Maybelline nail paints here is because, if you can see, they do not have any kind of anything written at the bottom. It's just the seal that I'm getting. So if I show you something clearly, this is what it'll look like. Okay, and meanwhile, if you want, you can add even some sentiment on a 1-inch circle. I have used a circle punch here that I have to cut the silver glitter sheet, and I've tried the same thing on it. The best part about this is it has a peel off back. And here I've used my leftover papers. I just wrote a sentiment, added some glitter, punched so 1-inch circle, and I just put hot glue on it, and here I have. So what I'll do is, now I'll just try to right now the glue is very hot and very liquidy, so I will not try to rush it. So let us just let it cool down, and I will show you the final results. However, the final results will be something like this, and these are very easy. If you want, you can even punch a hole in this with any kind of punch. I have this punch that I've used to poke a hole in this, and also if you want, you can just add some kind of pollens here. Here I've used these popcorn fillers, and see how beautiful this has turned. So I hope you all like this quick tutorial. It's basically a quick hack to make to get all that kind of seal kind of effect, and utilize all your little leftover sequences that you might not be able to use in any kind of shakers because they're very little in quantity, and you can use it like this. So let's just try to lift it. It's still wet, but I'll try to pull it out and see how beautiful it looks. So I hope you all like this hack, and do let me know if you replicate the same. So see you guys. This was my Saturday tutorial for all of you guys out there. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.